Is your Ford Transit key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement for 2014-2019 Ford Transit key fobs. Save time and money by doing it yourself. You will need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. The 2014-2019 Ford Transit key fob requires a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard 20 millimeters diameter battery with a height of 3.2 millimeters. Ensure you purchase a high-quality battery from a trusted brand like Duracell or Energizer for optimal performance and longevity. These batteries are widely available at auto parts stores and online retailers. To open the key fob, first locate the small notch or seam on the side of the fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or coin into this notch. Gently pry the fob open, separating the two halves. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. If your fob has a valet key, remove it first. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the correct direction, usually up. The battery should fit snugly into place. Double-check the polarity before proceeding. Now for step 4, reassembling the key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob so that the internal components match up properly. Then press the halves together firmly until you hear or feel them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no visible gaps between the halves and that all parts are properly seated. The key fob should feel solid and complete before moving on to testing. This ensures the key fob is properly reassembled and ready for the next step.